Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we will take the example based on using elementary row transformation of the matrix. Before starting that example, just we recall the definition of invertible matrices. If A and B are square matrices of same order, then we say that AB is equal to BA is equal to R. Means B inverse is A or A inverse is B. Correct. B inverse is A or A inverse is B. So that see B inverse is A means if you replace you get what it is B inverse B or B inverse is I or another form A. What is B? A inverse. A inverse or A inverse A is okay. And also we proved, see, also we proved inverse of an element is a unique element or inverse of an element is exist and it is unique. One theorem. Another theorem is if A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then AB the inverse is B inverse A inverse. Okay, we proved this. And next, elementary row transformation of the matrix. We have the rule. First rule is multiply by any row or column. Okay. Second one is add to other row. Third also okay. Multiply any row and add or subtract to other row. These are the three conditions. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain each and every concept detail. You can easily understand. See, now we want to calculate A inverse. For that, we will tell you, we will consider, see, A is equal to IA. Everyone familiar? This one. I into A. 1 0 0 1. If you multiply, what will get it? I get this 1 minus 1 2 3. I become identity matrix. Means we can write A is equal to I. Everyone know that. Correct? A is equal to A. What is your A? Our A is 1 minus 1 2 3. Identity matrix. Remember that always we are taking identity matrix as of same order. What is given? The matrix. 1 0 0 1 into. See, now we want to convert this 1 0 0 1 in terms of A inverse. So that A inverse into A. What I get here? Means here I want which one? A inverse. And here this one we have to replace and we have to convert this one is in the form of what it is? 1 0 0 1. So that I can get easily A inverse. Remember that. Okay. Next, see 1 0 0 1 is there. Means I want to convert this one. 1 minus 1 2 3 is in the form of 1 0 0 1. See, already 1 is there. There is no problem at all. Only the second. In this form we can do eliminating. See, very first step is 1, next step is 0, next step is 1, next step is 0. Like this we have to convert. Okay, you understood? See, 1 is already there, no problem. Only the 2 can be converted in terms of 0 by using elementary row operation. I will tell you how it exists. See, this one is, we call it as R1 row first, and this one we call it as R2 row second. Okay. Now here we are doing the changes in the second row. See, we are doing the changes in the second row. Means this is 2 can be converted in terms of 0. Remember that I will write one side so that you can easily understand. Very first step is 1 0 0 1. 1 already there, we have to convert this 0 is here. For that, see, 2 is there. We are doing the operation, please concentrate. We are doing the operation. See, here also 2I will multiply. So that this is also 2, this is also 2. No problem at all. But I want here 0. What can I do here? If I done subtract 2 minus 2, what will get it? 6. And everything we are doing the operation in R2. Because which one changes here? R2 row changes. That's why we are writing the row. R2 become, we can write R2 dash. See, which row changes now? That one we represent in terms of dash. And that one is in the form of R2 dash. And we are taking it is R2. We are including R2 to what we are doing here? Subtraction. R2 minus 2 R1. This is the operation we are doing. R2 to 2 minus R1. So that you can get C. First row there is no changes. Nothing we have done. Therefore we are writing as it is 1 minus. There is no changes. Only which row is changes? Second. Therefore we are writing 2 multiply 1 into 2. What will get is 2 only. In between which sign is there? 2 minus 2. Okay. Next 3 minus second 11. 2 into minus 1. What will get is minus 2. Okay. Next. The same operation we are doing here also because of equal sign. Means first row as it is, there is no changes. Second row only changes 0. In between its sign, minus sign. Multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1, what will get is? Okay. And next 1 in between its sign, minus sign. 2 into 0. 2 into 0 into correct. We will get these of the 4. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus into minus become plus. 3 plus 2, 5. It is 1, 0, minus 2. 2 into 0. We will get what it is? 0 only. Therefore, 1 minus 0 into correct. Means 1 minus 0 is written as 1. Means we converted, please concentrate, we converted this 2 is in terms of 0. See here, 2 we converted in terms of 0. You understood? Okay. And next step, see, next step is we have done first 1, next 0. Next step is 1 we have to convert. Means this 5 we want to convert in terms of 1. For that, see, we are doing the operation. This one we know that it is a R1 row. This one we know that it is R2 row. And I want to eliminate this 5 so that I can get 1. For that, what we are doing here, multiply 1 by 5. So that's it. 5 into 5. What will get it is 1. Okay. Therefore, and everything we are doing the operation in which row? R2 row. Therefore, which one changes here? R2 changes. Therefore, we are writing R2 dash 2. R2 dash 2 1 by 5. Okay. There is no changes in the first row. Therefore, we are writing as it is 1 minus 1. Next 0 by 5. Next 1 by 5 into 5. Multiply. Okay. Next first row we are writing as it is. There is no changes. Which row changes here? Second row. Because of equal sign, this is applicable for both the sides. Therefore, minus 2 into 1 by 5. Minus 2 into 1 by 5. Next 1 into 1 by 5 is 3. cancel. We will get it is 1 minus 1 0 1. 1 minus 1 0 1. So that it is 1 0 minus 2 by 5 1 by 5 into 8. Next, last step is 1 is completed, see, 0 completed, 1 completed. Last, this minus 1 I want to eliminate what it is, 0. Minus 1 eliminate 0, so that I can get what it is, identity matrix. Remember that. Okay, so that which one I have to change here? R1 changes. Correct? This is R1 we call it as, this one we call it as R2. Okay, remember that. Okay, and we can write, see, we are doing the changes in R1, therefore write R1 dash. R1 dash. See, if I add these two, minus 1 plus 1, what will it is? 0 only. Therefore, what we are doing here? R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 means, see, only which one changes? First row. Therefore, I will take 1 in between sign plus 0. Minus 1 plus 1. 0, 1. We get 1 minus 2 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. 1 by 5 into, correct, we get this is 1 minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1. And 1 minus 2 by 5, we get 3 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into 8. Means 1001 represent what it is? I. When we get I? If it is a inverse into A. Means naturally this nothing but what it is? A inverse. Therefore our A inverse is what? 3 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Understood now everyone? Very important, repeatedly asked in the exam. Okay, very simple example, nothing is there. Just I will recall once again so that you can easily understand. Okay, what is given? By using elementary operation, find the inverse of the matrix. Given A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3. And we know that we consider A is RA. A is RA. What is given A? 1 minus 1, 2, 3. I we know that 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. See, now here we need A inverse. For that, this identity matrix, this one we are converting in the form of A inverse. Okay? So that I can get this is what? I. This is I. I nothing but this one I want to convert, it is in the form of 1001. So that I can convert this one is in the form of I. Okay? For that, one already there is no changes. Only which one I want to eliminate? The reverse form we are taking it. First 1, next 0, next 1, next 0. This is the operation now we can do. See, next step is I want here 0. Means this 2 convert in terms of 0. For that we are doing the operation. See, this is first row R1, this is second row R2. We are multiplying first row by 2. That is, we get 2 into 1 is 2. But this one I want to 0. Therefore, what we are doing here, if I done plus 2 plus 2, what will get? 0. Therefore, what we are doing here? Minus. Therefore, 2 minus 2, what will get? 0. And everything we are doing in which row changes here? R2. Therefore, we are writing R2 dash 2 plus R2 dash 2 R2 minus 2 R1. Okay. Next, first as it is 1 minus 1. Next 2. Next 2 into 1. What will get it is 2. But in between sign is minus 2. Next minus 1 as it is. Okay. The next 3 multiply. Minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. But in between it sign minus sign. If you done the operation in the matrix first, it is also applicable for here because of equal sign. Next, see, first two as it is, there is no changes. Only we have done the changes in second. We are writing 0 as it is. Okay. Next, minus because of sign. Minus. Next, what is mentioned here? 2 into 1. Correct. 0 minus. Next, 1 minus 2 into 0. Correct. Means we are writing 1 0 as it is. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0 is what? 0 1. This is. Okay. Next, see, we have done. This is 0. And next step is what? Convert this 3. Convert this 3 is in terms of what? 1. But here instead of 3, we got what it is 5. Therefore, 5 we are converting in terms of 1. For that, what we are doing here? Multiplying 1 by 5. So that we can get it is 1. Therefore, R2 dash 2 1 by 5 R2. Everything we are doing multiplication in the second row means it will affect only second row. There is no changes in the first row. Therefore, writing as it is 1 minus 1 multiply 0 by 5. Next 1 by 5 into 5. Next 1 0 minus 2 into 1 by 5 multiply. Next 1 into 1 by 5. Next 1 minus 1 first row. Next 0 cancel with 1. See, we have done here 1 0 1. This is 1 0 1. Only this 1 means this minus 1 we have to eliminate 0 so that I can get identity matrix. For that, this is R1 row, R2. Add these two. Minus 1 plus 1, what will get it? 0 only. Therefore, R1 to R plus R2. But this is changes what we have done in first row. Therefore, we are writing R1 dash. Okay. Then we can write this 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1. This is 0 1 as it is. 1 minus 2 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. 1 by 5. And it is 1 0 0 1. And we get this is the answer. And this is nothing but identity matrix. Identity matrix exists if and only upon A inverse into A. Therefore, what is the value of A inverse? 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. In this way, we can calculate. Okay.